Welcome back to Just a Minute, Just a Mishnah. This Mishnah is the Nishmas, Fred Lev Asrachel, and Schos of Yitzchak Ben Gila, and their Frost, Serba Sirish, Hafu Shlema, some Secha, Sotah, Perek Vav, Mishnah Gimel, Mishnah Daled, Shahaya Bedin. So we have a Kavachayim, because in yesterday's Mishnah we said that even if the husband hears, like from rumors going around, basically that his wife didn't have air when she was in Yichud in this case, so then, even if he hears it, from like rumors, so he's allowed to divorce her from it and not give her ksuba. So have a kavachaymer. Umayim edus rishona, with the original edus where he has to have two witnesses that she went into the room with this guy. And in that case, she isn't osir on him forever. So in addition to so then over here, where then this is a final verdict, because then she's never allowed to be with him ever again. So over here we should have to have two, because just like in the first case where she isn't going to be, where she might still be able to be with him afterwards, depending on what the test results are, basically from the water. So then over here where this is major stuff, where it's like the cider here, he should also need two edim. In addition to this kind of Mishnayim, Talmud Laimar ve'ed ein ba. It says in the pasuk aid in one, meaning one witness. So call edus she'eshba, any edus which you get. Kavachayim le'edus harishonim me'ata. Now bring kavachayim the other way. The kavachayim le'edus harishonim me'ata. Umayim edus achrayna she'israta isur olam. Just like in the last edus where he hears that she did the avera, she's now osir on him forever. Harei miskayemes be'ed echad, and so that works with one aid, like with one witness, like we just proved. Edus harishayna she'enis rati Yisraelim in addition to she'tiskayim be'ed echad. So now with the opposites, now just like in the first case where she might be allowed to be with him again afterwards. So in that case, we should also only have to use one witness. Later on it says in the pasuk al pishnaim on with two witnesses. So we see from the pasuk that he has to have two. So here we also need to have two edim with the first where he has to have two edim that they saw her go into the room. Mishnah Dalad Eid Omer Nitmes Eid Omer Lo Nitmes. If one witness comes and says she did that vera, and then the second one comes and says no, she didn't. Isha Emeres Nitmes Isha Emeres Lo Nitmes. A woman who's usually isn't allowed to be a witness comes and says that she did that vera, and then another one comes and says she didn't. Haisa Shoisa. So then, in these cases, she has to drink the water, and we see what happens. Echad Omer Nitmes. If we have one witness who comes and says that she did the vera, Shnaim Omer Lo Nitmes, and then a pair of witnesses come and say that she didn't. Haisa Shoisa. So she has to drink the water. But first two come and say that she did that vera, and then one comes and says she didn't do that vera. So in that case, she doesn't have to drink the water, and those are these mishnayos.